Namaste. Hi. More breath awareness drills and exercises for this lesson. The Nadi Shodhana, aside from its healing, energizing, and cleansing benefits, is also a powerful tool for us to gain access to the higher chakras of our astral system, particularly of the Ajna chakra, the sixth chakra. It's also referred to as the spiritual eye or the third eye. The thinning of the pathway of the breath as we block one nostril, and then by breathing consciously, slowly, mindfully to that side, we could allow the sensation of the breath to guide us in lifting our awareness higher up. And by using the eyes, literally you're going to follow the sensation of the breath using your eyes inside. And then the optic nerves become stimulated in the process. Since you have a guide, the sensation of the breath, you're going to feel it rise here. And then from the sides of the forehead, like everything is being magnetized to flow to the center line. And at the top of the breath, you can feel everything accumulate here. Lift the eyes. You might feel the pulsation covering the frontal lobe of the brain, and then do your retention, inhale retention, depending on the duration. And then keep lifting your eyes to the inner brain. Good. And then release, exhale the other side, and allow your eyes to fall. Good. And repeat the process again. As the breath rises, as the sensation of the breath rises, your eyes follow the sensation leading to the higher part of the forehead, from the temples, using your awareness and the sensation of the breath, and everything flows to the midline. Ida Pingala, and then right up the center is the Sushumna. Yes, our eyes, when we utilize the potential of our optic nerves, could be used to stimulate the Ajna chakra. And with the breath guiding us, the sensation of the breath guiding us, it's easy to do that. Yes, this is a powerful way for us to really get that attention and focus and concentration when we meditate. And after the practice, you just hold the body still. You can still feel the sensation accumulate here, and just meditate upon the sensation here, and your eyes or your ears listening to the Anahata Nada, and your internal eyes looking inside your brain. I use this when I prepare for my stillness and meditation, and yes, this is a powerful tool. This is a powerful way for us to attain absorption later on. Till the next time. Namaste.